Okay, so tell me about your dirt bike there.
So I found the forking spot looking at.
What kind of bike is it?
4-stroke on the.
Yeah.
What is this?
50cc?
50cc.
Yeah. I like your decals you got on there, the green. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at your stickers. Got all sorts of different stickers, huh?
I wish I could have a gauge up here. See how fast I go.
Yeah. Ninja Turtles on here. Let's see it. Oh yeah. The exhaust pipe right there. What kind of pipe is that? BBR pipe?
Store right up. I'll sit here for a minute.
Wow, that was easy. Starts right up, huh? Let's hear a rev. Get a big pop. Make it pop. Wow. That was a good one. Hey, put it there.
I wish this thing got violent.
Good.